It's up, it's running, and it's real. And if you can post an image on Facebook, use Facebook Messenger, or upload videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you can make money working from home with our Cash App Extractor. It's simple, fun, and easy because all we're doing is paying you a finder's fee for assisting us in sharing our primary affiliate offers to the masses. Everything it is to get started is right here on this website, such as images to use on social media, a list of high-traffic Facebook marketing groups, free videos you can upload on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And every time you invite someone who wants in on the excitement, fun, and profit, they'll pay you $10. And although totally optional, you can earn even more income through our primary affiliate money-making affiliate programs built into the system. So if you're ready for some real Cash App extraction with your very own Cash App Extractor Money website, follow the instructions below to get started. See you on the Cash App.